You guys, this program will fucking change your life. Amanda Frances can be triggering as fuck. And honestly, like, I think I had that in the beginning too, but this woman knows what she's talking about. And if you continue to be in her world and learn from her, you can't help but fall in love with her. You just can't. She's fucking brilliant and she's mastered money. So if you have any kind of money funkiness, she's the teacher. There's toxic money beliefs running through the whole system. My name's Amity Rose from amityrose.co. I am a women's empowerment coach and certified hypnotherapist. The whole channel is devoted to empowering women to remember their worth, their value, and their power. I took a Money Mentality Makeover, I think a year or two ago. I can't remember. I think 2 years ago, actually. I redo it like every 6 months because one of the things she teaches is classic. Like, okay, there's so much I want to tell you. First off, none of the information she shares is unique to her. The same way the stuff that I share, it's not unique to me, right? We recycle ancient knowledge, truths, in our own personal expression. So it's not anything that's like unique to her. So as long as you understand that, you can get the same principles from a million different places. You can read books and study with other people and you will get the same kind of information because it's truth. Truth is said just expressed in different ways because everybody needs kind of a different teacher, right? We'll receive it in different ways. We don't always like the same books, same movies, same teachers kind of thing. So, you know, she may or may not be your teacher depending on what you like in a teacher. That being said, the information is just classic. It's truth. What she does brilliantly is she simplifies it and explains it really well. Like, it lands and you almost feel like a dummy. Like, is it that simple? She's legit like, I decide what I want. I get into the belief that I have what I want. What are the thoughts I would have having that? Like, it's so simple. You're like, really? Why are we not all walking around having our dream life? If it legit is like decide, act, think, do, and take action. So you almost feel silly in a way, like, is it that simple? Is it? The other brilliance of the program is, and she did this on purpose, she adds a module like every 1 or 2 years. So I think she's at like 7 or 8 modules right now, tons of bonuses. But the first 3 modules were recorded like 6 or 7 years ago. So you get to see and hear where she was on her path, both financially, but also, you know, in the personal development world as far as her audience and the money she's bringing in and her goals and all that. So I personally love to watch a woman's journey instead of just catching them at, you know, they're successful here. Like, it's really important to me to be able to go back to the beginning and watch the evolution, watch them learning and evolving, and like, that's what I love. So get that in this program because she doesn't change anything. She doesn't re-record, and then she adds modules. So I think what you're getting is like a program that she's built over like a 6 or 7 year period. And if that's important to you, if seeing a woman's journey is important to you, then this is an excellent program because that's what it does. But she covers everything. I've studied with different teachers and got different programs on money. If you guys haven't checked my video out on how I set out to heal my relationship with money, you can check it out here. I'm gonna do an update because it's been like a year or two. But this course like encompasses it all. She just covers it. I think everything that you would wanna know, especially from a woman's point of view, that you would want to know about healing your relationship with money, she covers it and she gives you homework, right? So you have the video and then you have like a slew of journal prompts and then you have like affirmations. And this is not like a one and done. I remember doing the course and I will do this course always, like until this is who I am and it is mastered and ingrained in me, because this is the other thing. There's so many good things. Guys, if you just want to know if you should get it, the answer is yes. You don't have to watch the whole video. But if you want the details, I've got them. It is transmissive. Like, oh my God, I don't even know the words. And I'm usually not lost for words. Like, it is this transmission from her. I've never met or seen anybody who's in such full embodiment of what she teaches and what she believes. Like, her aura is so fucking big And she 1000% is behind what she thinks and believes, and it just radiates. And you're not even in the room with her. You're just like watching a video, and there is this definite like dynamic that her energy is interacting with your energy. Like, she's one of the most powerful women I have ever studied with. And this is something else I wanted to talk about, and it kind of might be triggering, right? She's your typical like blonde pretty girl, and that can be triggering. Like, she looks like a SoCal girl, even though she's from Oklahoma, but she's kind of metamorphosed into a California girl, but it fits her and it's very natural. And there's some I don't know if you guys are, about the Valley in California, but she's got like Valley girl vibes to it, but I'm here for it. And there's some people in my house that are like, oh God, can you turn her off? Like, they don't get it, but I get it. And that's what matters. I get it. This woman is a vibe. But I think the most powerful part, if she is your cup of tea or isn't your cup of tea, she knows her shit. She lives her shit. She embodies her shit like no one I have ever studied with or watched or learned from. Like, by far, she is the most embodied leader I have ever met. And I think we think of like embodied leaders as like spiritual and royal and, maybe have some sacred outfits on or beads or chants or, like we kind of think of that, like the Dalai Lama type deal, right? Just embodying that like holy state of being. That's what I think anyway. And here's this lady with her blonde hair and her Botox and her puffy lips, right, from the injections, her big old boobs, her cute little body, her like Chanel shirt and her Gucci shoes, and her like, she's not what we have been sold should be like the embodiment of spiritual principles. This is for me anyway. Your experience might be completely different, but I've been told like the embodiment of spiritual should look something more like Dalai Lama-ish, right? Like, and she just smashes all of that. She's like, I'm wearing luxury designer, whatever, my face how I want it, and I'm a fucking embodiment of spiritual principles. She just does such this blending of spirituality and like modern day fucking LA woman. And that can be intensely triggering for people, I think, because we don't know what to do with her. We don't know where to put her. We like to put people in boxes, and like she fucking breaks all the molds because of that. And there might be other women out there that do the same thing, but this is just my experience. She's, my version of this. So the program is all inner work, all of it. You're gonna take action, but it's from an aligned place. Like, she teaches you alignment. It's all inner work. It's all healing. It's all changing your beliefs. Then you're naturally inspired to, whatever after that. So if you have even like been just thinking about it, it's a yes, absolutely. And I have a link below. I'm an affiliate, having been a student. I have an affiliate link. So if you want to sign up and you're watching this, please use the link below. This is my honest review of her and her teachings. I will listen to anything this woman creates, anything. And it's just to be in her energy because she so embodies it. Like, that's what I'm trying to get across to you guys. Like, she is it. Like, you'll hear, myself included, like you'll hear teachers, right? We're either learning something or we've integrated it or, somewhere along the path. She is 1000% lives and embodies, and she's created this whole life for herself. It's just incredible. It's absolutely incredible. I'm so thankful that I'm a student of hers. I have like 4 of her courses, I think. Like, fucking, I'll buy anything this woman sells. But she aligned with that. She aligned with influence. She aligned with wealth. She aligned with like, people love to pay me. And this is, I think, another part of like where triggering can come up, because this bumps up against all our bullshit that we think, but she gets to that. She will help you unravel all that. But she's got like, people love to pay me. People love to work with me. People love to look at me when I walk in the room. I mean, just confident as fuck. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Say hi, Evie, our little bat pug. just good stuff. I probably do it every 6 months. Oh, I do have a cool story. So it comes up like once or twice a year. I think she launches it, and I knew. I think it's like $3,000 if it doesn't go up. It's like I think it's three grand. So I told my husband, I don't know if we had the money for it or not, and I was like, I need to do this. I'm 1,000% behind it. I need to do this. Like, I don't know how I'm going to pay for it, but I'm a hell yes. And if you've ever been like a hell yes, you just have to. You're like, I got to figure it out, right? So I made the first payment. I got on some payment plan, and I always had the money for it. And it paid off, but it's so worth it. So worth it. But I remember knowing, and she talks about this too, you guys, just you're saying yes to the investment. Like, even though she believes that it's holy to pay her, and it's people love to pay her, and that's all true and good. What is more important for you as the student is the up leveling and upgrade that you experience when you say yes to the investment. Because you're not just buying her program. You're not just buying her videos. Like, you are saying, and this is what I did, I was saying yes to my financial growth, to healing my relationship with money. I was saying yes to me. That's what I was saying. The money ultimately goes to her for the value that she created in that exchange, but the yes was to me and my advancement and my growth and my healing. So when you invest in the course, it already starts working. Even before you even watch a single video, you will start to have some radical shifts happening, like internally. It's great. It's amazing. So it's a yes. Yes, 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 yes. And again, use my special link below. I am a proud affiliate of this woman's programs. So happy to be in her world. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment. If you have a specific question on the program or whatever, I'd be happy to dig deeper. But this is just kind of the overview. And yeah, so good luck. And so excited that you're looking to heal your relationship with money, because this woman's incredible and she really is a phenomenal teacher. All right, guys, podcast, Instagram, TikTok, sessions. I've still got some availability for some hypnosis sessions. So if you're looking to change something in your life, let's get working with the subconscious to get that done. Also, a couple spots open in my private one-on-one coaching. And you can get all of that information at the website. I shall see you next week. If you haven't subscribed already, do subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next week. Hey guys, you know I always have like a rock or a gem in my hand when I do videos. This time, this is what we have. The puppy. She doesn't like to be quiet when I film, so we'll see how this goes. What are you doing? No, we're not playing. I'm doing something. No, we're not. Okay. You will start to have